Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When s approaches to 8, we put 8 gone here, here and here. So you got number 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have like this. Then we do first derivative of s squared and we have 2s. This one we have 8 to the power of s, f and 8. And the next one as to the power of a minus number 1. And now we can put the value of 8 going here, here and here. So this one we can simplify 8 to the power of number 1 multiplied by this one. So we have 8 to the power of a minus 1 plus 1 and you got about 8. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.